this is just a little advice to anyone running the new Retroarch. I just recently got the new Retroarch and installed it, and I couldn't find the scan option right away. And on your phone, you have the three buttons on the bottom, and you click the middle button, which is the playlist, and the scan function's always on top if you want to scan a directory or a file. All it is just right here. It says import content right on the main screen. So right where it says load core and load content on Android is where you want to go down and click import content. That's all you have to do. And one more word of advice: if you're going to download shaders but you're going to switch your driver over to Vulkan, do that first and then go download your shaders with the online updater, because the only shaders it's going to let you download is going to be the slang shaders. Oh, I've already got them, so I shouldn't have done that, but that's all this is. I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.